Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You should start by confirming permissions and getting your API key so you can act immediately. Once done, create the essential content types: article, image, video, and add required fields so templates are consistent. Then connect the repository or CDN and upload a tiny test asset to verify read/write. This immediate verification saves time later. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and document the account used. That prevents lockouts and clarifies ownership as you move into structured content creation. Now focus on populating and organizing content so your library is useful. You can import with a CSV or bulk ZIP to save time, then apply metadata like title, tags, author, publish date, and alt text to make items discoverable. Once items exist, set workflows and assign roles so reviews run predictably. Staging previews help catch layout problems. If dependencies exist, link related assets. Take a moment to run a preview and a permission check to ensure editors and reviewers see exactly what they need. Finish by publishing thoughtfully. Stage first, then schedule or push to production at low traffic times. After publishing, monitor logs, CDN cache, and analytics so you can spot errors or performance shifts quickly. Keep snapshots or backups so you can revert if content breaks. If something goes wrong, validate the asset, clear caches, and run the rollback plan. If that fails, escalate to support with exact error logs. One tip: when a publish fails, clear CDN cache before assuming data loss, because stale cache often masks success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.